Students, today I am going to tell you how to find mean by step deviation method. Take a problem. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Given the table is daily expenditure in rupees 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350. Number of households, that means frequencies: 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. Find the mean daily expenditure on food by a suitable method. Here we have to find the mean by a suitable method. What is that suitable method? Here the width of the class interval is high, very high. So we have to find the mean by step deviation method. Now take the table, write the table like this: daily expenditure and number of households. This is the frequency F. And now to find the mean, we have to find the class marks, mid values, class marks xi, and take deviations di xi minus a and ui, that is di by h, and finally last column is fi into ui. We have to find out fi into ui. Now take the values 100 to 150, frequency is 4, and 150 to 200, frequency is 5, 200 to 250, 12, 250 to 300, frequency is 2, 300 to 350, it is 2. Now what are the class marks? How we find class marks? Take these interval 100 plus 150 by 2, which is 250 by 2, that means 125. 125. Here the difference is 50. The difference is 50. Take any limits, any lower limits or any upper limits, successive upper limits. The difference is 50. So here we can add to find the class marks 50. 125 plus 50, 175, and 175 plus 50, 225, 225 plus 50, 275, and finally this is 325. Here we can check the mid values. 150 plus 200, that is 350 by 2, which is 175, and 200 plus 250, which is 450 by 2, equal to 225. So we can find class marks by taking the mid values. Okay. Now take these class marks: 125, 175, 225, 275, 325. Now what are the deviations? Xi minus a. What is a? Assumed mean. Take any value, any class mark, okay, as a. So here I am taking 225 as assumed mean. Subtract 225 from all these values. 125 minus 225, 175 minus 225, 225 minus 225, which is equal to 0. 275 minus 225, which is equal to 50. 325 minus 225, which is equal to 100. Here 175 minus 225, which is minus 50, and here minus 100. Okay. Now divide these values, these deviations, by h. What is h? H is equal to 50. So minus 100 by 50, minus 50 by 50, 0 by 50, which is equal to 0, 50 by 50, which is equal to 1, 100 by 50, which is equal to 2. Here the value is 0, here plus 1, plus 2, here minus 1, here minus 2. Because 50 minus 2s are minus 100, 50 minus 1s are minus 50. Now finally we find the values of fi into ui. What are fi's? 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. And ui's are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now multiply 4 with minus 2, which is equal to minus 8. 5 ones are 5 minus 1s are minus 5. 12 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. By adding these two, we get 6. By adding these two, we get minus 13. Here, minus 13 plus 6. So, we have to subtract because there are opposite symbols. Minus 13 plus 6 means minus 7. And this is sigma fi ui. Sigma means summation of all these values. And sigma fi, summation of these frequencies. What is this? This is 9 and 16, 25. Now, assumed mean a equal to 225, h is 50, sigma fi is 25, and sigma fi ui equal to minus 7. Now, write the formula to find mean. Okay. H equal to 50. H equal to 50. Assumed mean ai equal to 225. Sigma fi equal to 25. Sigma fi ui equal to minus 7. Now, in step deviation method, this is step deviation method. Mean equal to mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Now a equal to 225 plus sigma fi ui is minus 7 by sigma fi is 25 into h equal to 50. Sorry, h is 50. Now 225 plus into minus, minus 25 ones are 25 twos are. Now 7 into 2, 225 minus 7 into 2, which is equal to 225 minus 14, which is equal to 211. This is the mean. Okay. Thank you.